This is no way to be.
Look what Nellie's doing. Nellie's hanging like a bat. And Iska is going hiking by herself. Look what this guy's doing. Alright, gotta go and...
I'm a koala bear.
Koala bear in California. Gotta go and find her. Alright. Who pooped? You pooped?
No.
Okay, animal.
I
Alright.
stepped in poop. I stepped in poop. That walks on poop. Rob.
Hi, Zunya. Hi, who's hiding here? Hello. Oh.
I go first. Hey, you.
Uh-oh. Isa, she's sitting and judging. She's the referee, guys. Take your time, Maxie. You guys are doing great. Both of you. Look at this balance. Nellie! Nellie, that was not fair. But that's okay, Maxie. Continue. Nellie is, Nellie bathed in hot water. She cannot wait.
I think it's a waste.
Exactly. Is it a race? It's not who's gonna do it faster. It is who's gonna reach the end. Well, if you do it fast, that's great. But the point is to find the balance without falling.
I won.
Max hasn't finished yet. Maxie, you look like an old man with a cane, Max. Sorry, I made you laugh. And you're almost 6. Or I was going to say you're still 5. What you got, Isa? Oh, wow, thank you. Very nice, Max. You guys did awesome. Okay, hands up and victory. Now show me your victory dance. Balance your victory dance. That's it, huh? See, it's not that easy. Maxie, what are you gonna do? Throw the stick up? Okay. Now your turn. Nellie's done. Yes! Woohoo! Shake it, shake it. Very nice. Find your balance before stepping. Remember, guys, it's not a race. It is about who's gonna get to the end without falling. Well, if you can do it fast, that's awesome, but don't give up. Just finish. Nellie's got longer legs, so it's easier for her, Max. Good job. Very nice, both of you. Nice balance. Help yourself with your hands, arms to the side. Perfect. Find your balance before stepping to the next stone. Excellent. All right, you got it? Yay. Victory dance, guys. snake skin. That's right. And there is also, this is coyote's skull, raccoon, gray fox, and other animals, and deers. Wow. There's a lot of animals living here, and I want you.
I found bald eagles.
Bald eagles? Good. I found 2 little monkeys here. What are you guys doing, monkey? Oh, actually 3 little monkeys. The third one's coming in. Hey,
I'm the oldest one.
you're the oldest monkey? And we are in the monkey's house. This is like a huge structure. And that little monkey's really happy. Right, monkey? There's no lights today. Usually the lights are coming from there.
I think there are lights in the...
And how does monkey sound like? Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. World of monkeys. Aha. Aha.